Mike Welch here with Infinity Martial Arts and Team Infinity, and this is another tutorial with the Greatmats Sport Karate series. So I'm going to take you through kind of a creative little kicking drill that you can use to incorporate in your forms or demonstrations. I like this combination because it's not terribly difficult, but it is unique and dynamic. We're going to start on the ground with just a basic side kick. So I like to kick with my right leg. I'll start with my right knee down and say I'm on a punch. It doesn't matter how we get there. Maybe in your form you start with a chop punch. Now I'm going to turn my back, put both knees on the ground, both hands on the ground, look over my shoulder. I'm going to chamber and side kick high. Okay? Let's just look at that side kick for a second. Something that's going to make this look impressive is making sure that your chamber is from your shoulder and your lockout is all the way. When my hands are on the ground, I want them under me, not in front of me. I'm also going to land, if you see my chamber for the side kick. When I lock out, I'm going to bend my elbows like the bottom of a push-up. When I re-chamber, I'm going to pop back up. We're going to need that pop back up in a second. So let's just rewind and I'll let you follow me. So facing this way, I punch. My right leg is going to kick. So I close the door with my left, turn my eyes around, I chamber and I kick. Now, see how I'm bending my elbows? This is where that pop comes up. I'm going to pop up with my arms, and the side kicking leg is going to land on the ground. Notice my other foot comes up. Let's watch that again. So I side kick, pop. Now I'm going to pick my right hand off the ground, and my right foot is going to hook kick, and I finish the combination. Okay, so I'll do this facing you again. I'm in my punch. I'm going to turn side kick to the ground. Bang, and then I switch feet, and I switch back and hook kick until I stand back up. We'll go one more time, and I'll take a different angle here. So from the punch, everything happens underneath me. I don't want my hands to get away from me. I don't want my feet to get away from me. I can have better balance and control when everything is under me, holding my body weight, right? So I turn, my hands are under me. I side kick. When I switch, my feet are under me, and this one's gonna just land in a pivot. There's my hook kick and land. So last time when I put the whole thing together, we'll start punch, kick, switch, ayah. And there's your tutorial with Greatmats and Infinity Martial Arts.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.